Mahatma Gandhi, he's the father of a nation, the man of honesty, the man of greatness. He's the one who had set us free. He's the one who had set us free. He fought for our freedom with non-violence and truth. He was a freedom fighter and a great leader, the man of patience and man of kindness. He taught us unity, truth and honesty. He taught us unity, truth and honesty.
The greatest way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of humanity. These are the magical words of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. This year will mark the 152nd birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. United Nations observe this day as International Day of Nonviolence. Gandhian philosophy is not only political, religious, or moral, but it is also traditional and modern, simple and complex. Gandhian ideology is mostly based on practical idealism. He believed in the overall development of our students, and that's why my little geniuses. Today, I would like to recommend few suggestions and guidance given by our father of nation, which is really going to help you a lot. Speak the truth. Number 2, always follow the path of non-violence. That means not to hurt and fight others emotionally, physically. Number 3, forgive yourself and others too. Number 4, spread love and only kindness. Number 5, last but not the least, never give up. That means if you didn't get success, don't lose heart. Try, and even try harder, unless and until you get success. So, my little geniuses, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive. Thank you.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in Ihdinas siratal mustaqim siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin.
Be ready for pledge. Raise your right hand. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all Indians, elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being, prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
फूल तराना लप पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी दूर दुनिया का मेरे दम से अंधेरा हो जाए हर जगह मेरे चमकने से उजाला हो जाए वो मेरे दम से यूं ही मेरे वतन की जीनत जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की जीनत जिंदगी हो मेरे परवान की सूरत या रब इल्म की शम्म से हो मुझे को मोहब्बत या रब हो मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना दर्दमंदों से ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना लब पे आती है दुआ बन तमन्ना मेरे जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी लगते आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी
Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. By Mahatma Gandhi. On behalf of our class 2Q, our class teacher Mrs. Leena and our Hindi teacher Mrs. Talat, I Muhammad Jan wishing you all a very pleasant and refreshing day. It's good to start out in the name of God. So the surah was recited by Muhammad Hamdanuddin Zohan. We pay homage to our mother. We pay homage to our motherland. Today was the pledge was guided to you by Syed Abdul Rahman and the school song was sang by Fahim Ahmed. Let's hear our school vision from Nagaraja Velan.
Welcome to all teachers and students. Now I am going to tell about our school vision. I use Jubilums to be an intersection of excellence dedicated of protecting good human beings and respectable global citizens. We serve to make humanity live. Thank you.
To continue our Gandhi Jayanthi special assembly, let's have a thought-provoking and delighted full thought for the day by Muhammad Hasnan.
Good morning to all. Thought for the day. Our greatest ability not world, but to change ourselves. I repeat, our greatest ability as humans is not to change the world, but to change ourselves. Thank you.
Now I call upon our friends Sarthak Saxena and Ojas Ditya Zanwar to deliver a short speech on Gandhi Jayanti.
Good morning, my respective teachers and my dear friends. Today we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. It is a non-violence day in India. Gandhi Jayanti is also known as the International Day for Non-Violence and in peace across the nation. We pay tribute to Gandhi ji in his memorial at Rajpath, Delhi. Mahatma Gandhi ji was one of the renowned leaders of India. In 1914, he got the title Mahatma. Principles of Gandhi ji are very valid and eternal. Gandhism is a body of ideas that describes the inspiration, vision and life of Gandhi ji. Gandhi ji's principle help to reshape the lost morality, regain humanity, etc. Gandhian ways and his ideas seem to he the only be a solution to overcome the present day's problem. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.
सच्चा व्यक्ति अकेले ही सत्य पा
एक बहुत सच्चा है। महात्मा गांधी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 में गुजरात के पोरबंदर गांव में हुआ। उनके पूरे नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। वह बापू और राष्ट्रपिता के नाम से भी जाने जाते थे। उनके माता और पिता का नाम पुतलीबाई और करमचंद गांधी था। उन्होंने अपने कानून के पढ़ाई लंदन से पूरी की। गांधी जयंती ने जीवन के 3 सिद्धांत बताया: सत्य, अहिंसा, ब्रह्मचर्य। वह एक महान राजनीतिक और समाज सुधारक थे। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Sarthak Saxena and Ojas Jitis Zanwar for the wonderful speech. Let's call Abdur Rahman.
مجدي لك السماء وارفع الكفا كافتر يحمل النور المسطح رضي الله أكبر يا موتني قد استوكر المسلمين عاش الملك للعالم والوطن. Thank you.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय भारत विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य यमुना गंगा जलति तरंगा तव शुभ तव शुभ आशीष गाए तव जगाता जन गण मन मंगल अधिनायक जय भारत विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। थैंक यू।
Thank you all once again, wishing you all a happy Gandhi Jayanti. Assembly dispersed.